Today we are diving deep into the illusion of private browsing and the reality of VPNs. Which one actually keeps you safe? And more importantly, are you doing enough to protect your data from hackers? And the spoiler alert, private browsing isn't as private as you think. Let's talk about it. Private browsing. Sounds great, doesn't it? Chrome calls it incognito, Edge has in-private browsing, and Safari, well, they keep it simple with private browsing. But here's the deal. It's more like erasing your footprints from sand while standing in front of a CCTV. Let's debunk few myths about private browsing. First myth is private browsing hides everything. But in reality, private browsing only hides your activity from your local device, your ISP, internet service provider, employer, and websites you visit can still see your activities. Second myth is no history means complete privacy. While private browsing doesn't save your history locally, websites can still track you via your IP address and browser fingerprinting techniques. Pause the video and read if you don't know what browser fingerprinting is. Third myth is your employer or schools cannot monitor private browsing. And the truth is, private browsing cannot prevent administrators from logging your activities. As simple as that. Although there are many other myths, but in this video we'll stop here, and I hope you got the idea that your activities might not be saved locally, but that doesn't mean they are invisible to the outside world. So if private browsing doesn't cut it, what's the solution? Time to meet VPNs. VPN or virtual private network, it's like your personal bodyguard in the digital world. A good VPN hides your IP address, encrypts your traffic, and makes your online activity look like gibberish to anyone snooping around. But are VPNs perfect? Quick quiz. If VPNs are so good, why isn't everyone using them? You know why? Because it's like you know vegetables are good for you, but you're still eating fries. Let's break this down. VPNs create a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. This means your ISP can't see which site you visit, and the hackers on public Wi-Fi, they can't intercept your data. But there's a catch. Not all the VPNs are created equal. Some slows down your internet speed, and others, they collect your data, which is ironic, right? And free VPNs, they are often riddled with annoying ads, or worse, they sell your data to third parties. A good VPN, however, uses strong encryption and has no log policy, and offers features like kill switch to ensure your privacy even if the connection drops. But what's the deal with VPNs and streaming? Can they really unlock Netflix libraries from around the globe? Stick around. Here's where VPNs shine. Want to watch that exclusive Japanese anime on Netflix? Easy. Need to shop online safely using public Wi-Fi? Done. VPNs are your shield against hackers, snoopy ISPs, and even geo restrictions. But here's an important tip. Always choose a trusted VPN provider. Next time if you are choosing a VPN, look for strong encryption protocols like OpenVPN or WireGuard, and ensure they have a proven track record of protecting user data. And for those wondering, yes, a VPN can slightly affect your internet speed, but with the right provider, this impact is negligible. Still not sold? Let's rewind a bit to know how VPN started in a military project. Back in the 60s, the US Department of Defense developed encryption tech to secure communications on ARPANET, which is widely recognized as the precursor to the internet. ARPANET not only introduced the fundamental concept of packet switching and network protocols, but also set the stage for future innovations in secure communication. And these innovations eventually evolved into VPN. Fast forward to the 90s, and the first commercial VPN PPTP emerged, giving us the tools to stay safe online. Pretty cool, right? Now with the rise of cybercrime and privacy concerns, VPNs have become a must-have. But remember, they're only one piece of the puzzle. Pair it with good cybersecurity practices like strong passwords and antivirus software for the ultimate protection. So the next time you're online, whether you are shopping, streaming, or just browsing, ask yourself, am I truly safe? Private browsing is a good start, but a VPN? That's your real armor. Want to dive deeper into how hackers think and how you can protect yourself from their tricks? Check out my playlist popping on the screen, and if you like the effort, do leave a like and your valuable comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity insights. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure, and take care.